Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Justin, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a very effective and powerful method that will allow you to make free money by just watching YouTube videos. I'll show you how you can earn money sent directly to your PayPal account with a new strategy that allows you to earn $100 per day plus, and this works until 2022. Now, I know I already got your attention, and you can't wait to hear how to make this happen for you. And don't worry, we're gonna go over the whole process, step by step in this video. But first, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome money-making content like this. And if you wanna get this info ASAP, turn on that notification bell too. That way you'll always be on top of the money-making game. So, you subscribe yet? Okay, good. Then let's get started. So first off, a quick overview of the steps just to show you how easy it is. So step 1, go to YouTube, find any video you want to watch and click on it. Step 2, once you're in the video, make sure you watch at least 30 seconds to ensure this strategy works. And step 3, earn money. It can't be that easy. I can hear you saying through your computer right now, or whatever device you're watching this on. Well, check out these payment receipts from people who have actually used this strategy, and they come from all over the world, so geographically it doesn't really matter where you are. Now, it isn't $100 just for 30 seconds of watching, but it's not much harder than that. If you watch one video, you can earn $3, and if you watch 10, you can earn $30. And if you watch 50 YouTube videos per day, you can earn $150. There is actually no limit. You can keep watching as much as you want and keep earning. And I'll tell you 4 reasons why this is the best new strategy. 1, it's 100% legit. 2, absolutely free. 3, available to anyone in the world regardless of your location. And 4, you can start right now as long as you have a smartphone or a computer. Okay, so now we're gonna do a deeper dive into the steps that I kinda went over earlier, so you know exactly how to do it and can start right away. And as a little bonus for you, at the end of the video, I got an extra tip that can help you increase your earnings by 3 to 5 times. Alright, ready? Let's get started. So step 1 is to open your browser and go to YouTube. The first thing you have to do is sign in. So click on the sign in button at the top right of the screen. Here you can log into your YouTube account. If you don't have one already, you can create one quickly and for free. Now that we're logged in, you'll see an extra bar pop up on the left side that shows you the best of YouTube. This is where the tech giant promotes the highest performing videos in each category, like music, sports, gaming, movies, etc. So for this strategy, we're gonna choose gaming. It's gonna take us to a page with tons of videos and lots of views on these. It's so sad to think all these people could have been making money off this if they only knew the secret. Oh well, more for us, right? So my first tip is to focus on the gaming category Apex Legends because it's a crazy popular game that's trending right now. So click on Apex Legends here and it'll take us to a page that exclusively has videos of this nature. And as you can see, there's tons of gameplay videos and also some live streams happening right now. So for the next part, we're gonna click on any of the live videos here and join the stream. So as we can see on this stream, there's a lot of people watching and interacting with this video right now. Like I said, Apex Legends is a very popular game right now, so the demand for videos like this is high, and that's a key to our success. Now, in order to make money off this video, we're gonna need to navigate to another website, 7r6.com. This one's a site that shortens URLs and turns them into cold hard cash that's sent right into your PayPal account. Now, it seems complicated now, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, so bear with me. Once you're on 7r6.com, you'll have to first sign up for a free account. Once you've done that, you can begin turning these YouTube links into money. But before we go through the sign up, I'll show you how it works. So back on YouTube, we gotta click the share button underneath the video. This is gonna give you the URL for this specific gaming video. So copy this link and head back over to the 7r6 website. Take the link we swiped off YouTube and you paste it into this box and then click on the yellow button on the right. Now this automatically makes the link unique, short, and nice looking for you to share. And it's with this new link that you're gonna get paid. Cause for every person who clicks on your unique link, you get money, just like all these people who are making bank from this strategy. I know earlier I said directly to your PayPal account, but the great thing about this site is that they have a lot of different ways for you to get your money. It's not just PayPal. They also have Payoneer, WebMoney, Perfect Money. There's plenty of options for payment when you're ready to cash out. Okay, so now that we know how it works, let's sign up for this account. Back on the homepage, click the sign up button. This is going to take you to the registration page. There's some information that needs to be added, but it's 100% free and available to use all over the world, so don't worry about that, just gotta enter a few fields here. First, choose a username and password, then enter your email and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then hit register. And that's it, you're all signed up. And once you are signed up, it's gonna direct you to your dashboard. Now at the top left of the screen, you'll see a button that says Shorten New Link, so click on that. Once you click that, a field will pop up where we can shorten the YouTube links. So now we got this site all registered, signed in, and ready to go. Let's head back over to YouTube. So back on the live YouTube video that we found earlier, hit share and copy the URL, and then head back to your dashboard and paste it into the field that says your URL here. Other than the URL, you're also going to need an alias. So for this, let's put Apex Legends, as this is the game that the video we chose is about. Now just click shorten and it'll automatically create your unique URL. For the next step, head back to YouTube and repeat this exact process with 3 other videos. Since the more links we shorten, the more money we make, we want to do at least a few at a time. Now I didn't just randomly choose this genre of videos, there's actually a specific reason that I've chosen live gaming videos. We're going to focus on this type for the strategy because it has the highest earning potential. So let's check out this other live stream, and we do the same process again. So hit share, copy the link, head back to our 7R6 dashboard, and paste the link into the field. But this time we're going to give it a different alias, so we'll call it Apex Legends 2, and then hit shorten. Now I'm feeling greedy, so let's do a third one. It's the exact same strategy, just head back to YouTube, grab a live stream link, hit share, copy, and then shorten this third one too. Now that we have our 3 shortened links, it's time for the final step in the process. Let's go to a third website, streamcommunity.com. Now this is a gaming site where gamers like to discuss strategies and just chat with like-minded people about their love of different games. Now this is where this specific game comes in because Apex Legends is so popular right now. There's tons of discussions happening on this site about it. It's trending daily, and as we saw before, millions of people watching these live streams every day, and we're gonna cash in on this trend. So first we're gonna sign up for an account. Another one? I know, but it'll be worth it, I promise. Because as a member, you can post your URL, and remember that everyone who clicks on your link gets you paid. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you. I will give you a special bonus tip to multiply your earnings from this technique. Now, I put this in the middle to the end of the video for a reason. It's a secret and I don't tell many people, but if you stuck with me this long, you know you deserve a treat. So go to moot.us. This is another forum site with people sharing specifically about the game Apex Legends. And since that's the topic we're covering, we're gonna get tons of clicks, which, as you know, means tons of cash. This is why we're focusing on this category. As a part of the special bonus that I promised you, I'm gonna share with you this free copy and paste template that you can use to help make you a lot more money and faster. Just copy the template and share it on the Stream Community site or on moot.us forum, the extra bonus site that I share with you. This way, lots of people are going to see your link and click on it. And as we know, clicks equals cash, so we need to get as many clicks as possible. Okay, so this is how I structure the template. Have you guys checked out this amazing Apex Legends gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch this live stream video right here. Now this is gonna grab people's attention and make them want to click your link, which you'll add to the end of the template. To get that, we just go back to our dashboard on 7R6 and copy our shortened link and paste it at the end of the template. You can then post this on as many websites as you want, drawing people to this highly trendy game and helping you get money. The better quality live streams you can find, the more people are going to use your link, so be sure to find popular and cool live streams to share with your template on these gamer communities. And that's it. Just like that, you can earn money off YouTube without having to create any content and with hardly any effort at all. If it's still unclear, feel free to rewatch all the steps in this video, and you can even follow along with me to make it easy as pie. But I hope you've gained some important knowledge today on how to make crazy good money off YouTube with these simple steps. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed the content, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification icon so you never miss out on any of our fresh, new money-making opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.